Think of the way a spaceship maneuvers in orbit. It uses high-pressure gas emitting from a nozzle to provide motive force. Now, the Bosch slide mitigation system works in the same way. The system uses a device similar to the airbag inflator in your car's steering wheel to provide an external lateral force when your tires have no more grip to give. The downside to this is that it's a one-shot deal with what will likely be a pretty expensive consumable part, but it's worth it to save your life, right? The most exciting part of this technology is the effect it can have on the public's perception of motorcycle safety. If bikes have more active safety equipment like this slide mitigation system, then it's likely more people would give motorcycles more serious consideration as a transportation option. More people thinking about motorcycles and riding motorcycles has the knock-on effect of making riding safer for everyone. Now, we need to start beating down Bosch's door to convince them to let us have a go on a bike equipped with this technology. I have a feeling, though, that it will be at least a few years before we see this tech in public.